Alright, welcome. So, on this tutorial, I will be teaching about divs and span. Alright, one thing to know about divs, they're block level elements. So, let me show y'all what that means. Alright, so to use a div, all you do is use the div tag, div, inside the arrow. And I'm just gonna write a paragraph. A sentence. I am pretty good at making people laugh, which I'm not saying I am. Okay, save. Let's run it to see how that looks. Hold up, actually, let's style it a little. Div. I'm gonna say order 1px solid, and I'm gonna thread. Alright. Okay, so do you see how the block comes all the way to the end of the page? Now let's see how span looks. To use span, you just use the span tag, the little arrow. I don't know how that just popped up. Span. I will be even better by next year. Just putting something inside there. Okay. Now span is an inline element. Well, by default. You're about to see the difference real quick. Let's see, span. I'm gonna style it a little. Okay, so the inline element, you can see it doesn't go all the way to the end of the screen. It only goes around the word, the sentence. Alright, so, but you can make the div and span, you can change their you can change the div from block to inline by just hitting display colon and inline. I think that'll work. Make sure I spelled that right. I think so. And there you see, it's no longer a block element, it's a inline element. And you can do the same thing with span. Let's see, display. So now it's going to be a block level element. And there you go. Let me see. Something else to notice. Say if I wanted a bunch of divs. Alright, so notice what it's going to do if I put a bunch of divs on there and I don't use the display property. Any day now, any day. It's just running faster. Now you want to slow up. There we go. So when you use a div and you don't use display, by default it's going to be a block level element, and they're going to come up under each other. That's how it works with divs. Now if you use span and put a bunch of spans under each other, they're by default they're inline elements. So they're going, didn't mean to do that. Alright, let me save it. And refresh. And they're going to be in line of each other on the same line or the same row. They're not going to stack on top of each other like a block level element. And And see, that is how your span will look. Okay, some other things to know. Section, which is an element I will get into later, but it's a block level element. Header, that's a block level element. Article, let me see. Engage. Did I say footer? I did not say footer. Footer is a block level element. And what else is? That's all I can think of on a block level at the moment. But the A tag that you use for hyperlinks, or just A tag, it's an inline element, and you could probably say the image tag is also inline. Alright, that's all I'm going to talk about in this tutorial. I will see y'all in the next one, and if you like the information that you're getting, please subscribe. Thank you.